they're really secretive, so normally they're staying low down. But earlier in the year, when the vegetation is still quite short, you can see them. I see it. I see it. Wow. It might sound odd, but I don't enjoy hanging out with people as much as I do hanging out with nature. So, and I don't know, I kind of find the things that most people find enjoyable quite stressful or sometimes boring. In Ireland, I'm confident that I could identify every bird, and a lot of the vagrant birds as well. It's an obsession.